Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, as well as make sure you hit that notification bell so that you do not miss any of my uploads. Make sure that you are watching me on your television, your iPad, your cell phone, whatever you need, whether I am here to give you motivation for later or if you're going to actually clean with me. So let's jump right into this video. I'm starting off in my living room. As always, I'm getting up all the crap, and then we're going to move forward to some other things, such as I'm going to be cleaning the carpet today with my Hoover carpet cleaner. I'm also going to be mopping at the end.
And I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. We were such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree. Made a reputation for ourselves at age 18. We had the devil on our shoulders telling us what we should do. I wonder if you think about me too. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. Oh, I miss you. Oh, I miss you. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops fall.
So I don't know if you all remember, but it has not even been a year since I purchased this rug, and I'm so upset. I'm not happy with it. It's not anything to do with the rug personally. It's just that I purchased a light color, and I have a dog, and he's spoiled, and you know, he just comes and lays all up on the carpet. You know, he's got a bed downstairs, he's got a bed upstairs, but he just plops and lays wherever he pleases. And that's our fault, because we didn't train him to stay in certain areas. He has free roam of the home, so it's not as bad as it could be, but it's not where it was previously. So what I'm going to do is, right now I'm just trying to vacuum up every particle that's in there, and then I'm going to go in and actually clean it with the carpet cleaner. this Hoover carpet cleaner. And I'm sorry, it's an area rug. So I'm gonna try my best to clean the area rug and see how well I can get it clean. Because right now I'm so upset with how it looks. It just looks totally disgusting. So right now I'm gonna try to clean it. If it doesn't come clean, I will most likely have to replace it, but this time I'm gonna replace it with a really pretty dark gray color, because right now I do not like this. My rug was so pretty when I first got it, but having a dog and him running in and out, we have red clay here, it's just not working. It's not giving pretty, it's giving you living nasty, and we don't live in nasty. So let's go ahead and get this clean.
I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. See, we was cool right before it hit the fence, but it hit the fan when I got him down at the bench. When I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed. God forgive me for all my sins. I can't say these cause my last name ain't Kent. Cooking on the stove, that's the way he paid the rent. Working on the pole, that's the way she paid the wish.
So I'm done with the Hoover vacuum or the rug cleaner, carpet cleaner. But as you can see, it left these, they look like dust bunnies on the carpet, but they are actually balls of accumulated dirt, hair, dust, everything that kind of rolled up because it was wet. And so I'm going to take my vacuum cleaner and vacuum all of those up so that it will, it won't be just left on the carpet, and I'm not leaving anything in the carpet as well. So looking from this angle while I'm actually editing the video, it looks much cleaner than it was. And even as it dried, it was much cleaner, but I promise you all, when I was standing over it doing that, it did not look like it was clean.
People I'm saying, get what I'm paying.
Okay, so do I feel like it worked? No. Standing right here, it looks clean, but when I'm standing on top of it and I'm looking down at it, it doesn't look clean at all. So I know that a lot of the dirt came out. This is just for me vacuuming it up before I started to clean it. When I look at the Hoover, I just put it outside because it drips. There's not a lot of water in it, so I feel like all it did was wet it up. But other than that, I really don't feel like it truly cleaned it like I needed it clean. But that's okay. I'm just gonna end up getting me a darker rug and get rid of this one. So let's keep on going.
I can't let them take my soul.
video while I was actually recording this video. So it is the next day, and I'm just mopping up everything, and then I'm gonna show you the final touches. She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up. We finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down. When I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck.